Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of Funding Agency Podcast, brought to you by Moonshine Capital. I'm your host, Jason Feimster, CEO of Moonshine Capital, and today we're venturing into a dynamic world of artificial intelligence and its groundbreaking applications in our industry. In this episode, titled Mastering ChatGPT Prompts Innovating Loan Brokerage with AI, we're diving deep into how ChatGPT, a state of the art language model developed by OpenAI, is revolutionizing the funding and loan brokerage landscape. For those new to this term, ChatGPT is an AI tool that's been making waves across various sectors for its ability to understand and generate human like text, making it a valuable asset in business operations. Now, why is this important for us in the funding world? As technology continues to evolve, it's crucial for us to stay ahead of the curve, and integrating tools like ChatGPT can significantly enhance our efficiency, decision making processes, and customer interactions. Whether it's market research, client communication, or even streamlining documentation, ChatGPT has the potential to transform how we operate and serve our clients. So, whether you're a seasoned loan broker, a budding entrepreneur in the funding agency sphere, or someone curious about the role of AI in business, this episode is tailored just for you. We'll explore practical ways to utilize ChatGPT, share expert insights, and even demonstrate some real world applications. Stay tuned as we embark on this journey to harness the power of AI, and let's discover together how ChatGPT can be your ally in building a more efficient, innovative, and successful funding agency. In this segment, we're going to introduce ChatGPT and discuss its capabilities, particularly focusing on why it's a game changer in the business and funding world. All right, let's kick things off by understanding what ChatGPT really is. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is part of a new wave of AI language models. What sets it apart is its ability to understand and generate text that's almost indistinguishable from what a human would write. This isn't just about responding to queries or about understanding context, nuance, or even the subtleties of human language. Now, you might be wondering, how does this relate to me as a loan broker or a funding agency owner? The answer lies in the versatility of ChatGPT. We're talking about a tool that can assist with anything from drafting professional emails to creating comprehensive market reports. It's like having a virtual assistant who's adept in the language of finance and customer service. The real power of ChatGPT in our industry lies in its ability to process vast amounts of information and provide insights that we might miss. Imagine having the capability to analyze market trends, understand regulatory changes, or even keep up with the latest financial news, all with a single prompt. ChatGPT can synthesize this information, giving us strategic edge in decision making. It's not just about data processing. ChatGPT can also be a valuable asset in enhancing customer interactions, whether it's drafting personalized emails or creating content for your website. This tool can help you communicate more effectively with your clients, providing them with clear, concise, and relevant information. In essence, ChatGPT is more than just a piece of technology. It's a catalyst for innovation and efficiency in the funding and loan brokerage industry. By embracing this tool, we can not only streamline our operations, but also provide better services to our clients, staying ahead in the competitive world of finance. In this segment, we're going to delve into how ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for market research in the funding and loan brokerage sector. Market research is the backbone of any business, especially in the dynamic world of funding and finance. Understanding market trends, customer needs, and competitive landscapes is crucial. Where ChatGPT enters the picture as an invaluable resource. Firstly, let's talk about how ChatGPT can assist in gathering market data. With its advanced language, understanding capabilities, ChatGPT can analyze news articles, financial reports, and even social media content to provide comprehensive insights into the current market scenario. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize the latest trends in the commercial lending space or to provide an overview of regulatory changes impacting the industry. But it's not just about collecting data, it's about making sense of it. ChatGPT can help identify patterns and insights that might not be immediately obvious. For instance, you could use it to compare different funding models across regions or to evaluate customer sentiment towards certain types of loans. This level of analysis can be crucial in making informed decisions about your business strategy. Moreover, ChatGPT can aid in forecasting market trends by analyzing historical data and current market conditions. It can help predict future developments in the funding industry. This predictive analysis can be a game changer for loan brokers and funding agencies, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve and adapt your strategies accordingly. Finally, let's not forget about the competitive analysis. ChatGPT can be used to gather and analyze information about your competitors, helping you understand their strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. This knowledge is invaluable in positioning your agency effectively in the market. Here's a list of ChatGPT prompts focusing on market research in the funding and loan brokerage industry. Industry Trend Analysis Prompt. Summarize the current trends in commercial lending in a specific region or globally for the last quarter. Regulatory changes overview prompt. Provide an overview of recent regulatory changes impacting the commercial funding industry in a specific country or region. Competitive landscape prompt. Analyze the competitive landscape for small business loans in a specific area, focusing on the top three competitors. Customer sentiment analysis prompt. What are the current customer sentiments towards unsecured business loans based on recent social media discussions and reviews? Market forecast prompt. Predict the market trends for commercial real estate funding over the next year based on current economic indicators and historical data. Product comparison prompt. Compare the features and benefits of fixed rate versus variable rate commercial loans currently offered in the market. Industry news summary prompt. Summarize the key points from the latest industry report on fintech innovations in loan brokerage services. Risk assessment prompt. Analyze the potential risk and opportunities for investing in green energy project funding in the current economic climate. Climate needs analysis prompt. Identify the top funding needs and preferences for small businesses in the hospitality sector based on recent market surveys. Market entry strategy prompt. Suggest a market entry strategy for a new funding agency specializing in startup financing in the technology sector. These prompts are designed to leverage ChatGPT's capabilities in providing valuable insights and analysis for market research in the funding and loan brokerage sector. They can be used directly or modified to fit specific informational needs or context. In summary, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can significantly enhance your market research efforts, whether it's data gathering, trend analysis, forecasting, or competitive intelligence. ChatGPT can provide you with the insights you need to thrive in the fast paced world of funding and finance. In this segment, we're going to discuss how ChatGPT can be used to enhance client communications in the loan brokerage and funding sector. Effective communication is key in building and maintaining strong client relationships. With ChatGPT, we have a tool that can help us communicate more effectively and efficiently with our clients. Let's start with email communications. Crafting the perfect email to a client can sometimes be time consuming, especially when you're dealing with complex financial information. ChatGPT can help streamline this process. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to draft a clear and professional email explaining the intricacies of a loan process or to respond to a client's question about funding options. Just provide ChatGPT with the necessary information, and it can generate a well structured and informative email in no time. Another area where ChatGPT shines is in creating content for client facing materials, such as brochures, websites, or social media posts. Whether it's explaining your services, showcasing success stories, or providing industry insights, ChatGPT can help you create content that is both engaging and informative. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your communications are consistent and professionally crafted. ChatGPT can also assist in personalizing communication. Analyzing client data and previous interactions, ChatGPT can help tailor your messages to meet specific needs and preferences of each client. This level of personalization can significantly enhance client satisfaction and loyalty. Lastly, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for frequently asked questions and client support. It can be programmed to provide instant, accurate responses to common client questions, reducing response times and improving the overall client experience. Here is a list of ChatGPT prompts focusing on enhancing client communications in the funding and loan brokerage industry. Email drafting for client queries prompt. Draft a professional email response to a client inquiring about the benefits and risks of adjustable rate mortgages. Content creation for brochures prompt. Create content for a brochure explaining our new small business funding solutions, focusing on key benefits and eligibility criteria. Website content update prompt. Write an engaging and informative update for our website's homepage, highlighting our expertise in commercial real estate funding. Social media post for service promotion prompt. Compose a concise and appealing social media post announcing our latest webinar on innovative funding strategies for startups. Personalized client communication prompt. Generate a personalized email to a long-term client discussing tailored funding options based on their recent business's expansion. Client newsletter segment prompt. Create a segment for our monthly newsletter that provides insights into recent changes in federal loan regulations and what they mean for borrowers. Client frequently asked question response prompt. Formulate clear and informative answers for frequently asked questions about our interest-only loan products. Client testimonial request email prompt. Write a polite and engaging email requesting a client to provide a testimonial about their expertise and experience with our loan broker services. New service announcement to clients prompt. Draft an announcement email to clients introducing our new line of eco-friendly business funding options. Follow-up email after client meeting prompt. Compose a follow-up email to a client summarizing the key points discussed in our recent meeting about refinancing options. These prompts are designed to help leverage ChatGPT's capabilities in creating professional, engaging, and personalized client communication, ranging from email correspondences to social media content. They can be used directly or adapted to fit specific content and client profiles. In conclusion, incorporating ChatGPT into your client communication strategy can lead to more efficient, effective, and personalized interactions. It's an excellent way to ensure your clients receive the best possible service while allowing you to focus on other critical aspects of your business. In this segment, we're going to explore how ChatGPT can assist in streamlining documentation and report generation in the funding and loan brokerage industry. One of the more time-consuming aspects of our work involves preparing various types of documentation and reports, whether it's financial reports, loan applications, or client portfolios. The process can be quite detailed and demanding. Here's where ChatGPT can play a significant role in making our lives easier. Firstly, let's talk about financial reporting. ChatGPT can assist in compiling and summarizing financial data, creating reports that are both comprehensive and easy to understand. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to generate a quarterly financial performance report for your agency, including key metrics like loan volumes, default rates, and profit margins. When it comes to preparing loan applications and proposals, ChatGPT can help draft these documents efficiently. By providing ChatGPT with the necessary data points, it can structure and write loan proposals that are clear, persuasive, and tailored to the requirements of different lenders or investors. Another area where ChatGPT is particularly useful is in creating client portfolios and profiles. It can organize and present client financial information, investment history, funding preferences in a structured format, making it easier for you to assess and make informed decisions. Moreover, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in generating regular business updates, such as a newsletter or market analysis report. These are crucial for keeping both your team and your clients informed about the latest industry developments and your agency's performance. Here's a list of ChatGPT prompts focusing on streamlining documentation and report generation in the funding and loan brokerage industry. Financial reporting prompt. Generate a summary report of our agency's financial performance for the past quarter, including loan volumes, default rates, and profit margins. Loan application drafting prompt. Draft a loan application for a small business client seeking funding for a new expansion project, highlighting their financial stability and growth potential. Loan proposal creation prompt. Create a comprehensive loan proposal for a commercial real estate project, focusing on the investment's viability and projected returns. Client portfolio compilation prompt. Compile a detailed client portfolio, including financial history, investment preferences, and future funding needs for a high net worth individual. Business update newsletter prompt. Write an informative piece for our monthly newsletter detailing the latest trends in the peer to peer lending market. Market analysis report prompt. Produce a market analysis report on the impact of recent interest rate changes on the residential mortgage sector. Risk assessment document prompt. Draft a risk assessment document for a potential investment in renewable energy funding, considering current market conditions and future projections. Client financial review prompt. Create a financial report for a long term client, summarizing their past investments and suggesting future funding opportunities. Internal compliance check document prompt. Generate a compliance check document for our recent transactions, ensuring alignment with industry regulations and ethical standards. Investor briefing document prompt. Prepare an investor briefing for an upcoming funding round, outlining our agency's recent successes and strategic plans for growth. These prompts are designed to help utilize ChatGPT's capabilities in creating various types of documentation and reports, making these processes more efficient and effective. They can be tailored to specific business needs and client scenarios. In summary, by integrating ChatGPT into your documentation and reporting processes, you can save a significant amount of time and effort. This allows you to focus more on strategic aspects of your business, knowing that the routine yet important task of documentation is handled effectively. In this segment, we'll explore how ChatGPT can be leveraged for creative problem solving in the funding and loan brokerage industry. In our industry, we often encounter complex problems that require innovative solutions. ChatGPT, with its advanced AI capabilities, can be a valuable tool in brainstorming and problem solving. It can provide a fresh perspective or suggest solutions we might not have considered. Let's start with scenario analysis. Say you're facing a challenging funding situation with multiple variables at play. ChatGPT can help by simulating different scenarios based on the data provided. For instance, you can ask it to analyze the potential outcomes of changing loan terms or introducing new funding products. This kind of analysis can aid in making more informed decisions. ChatGPT can also be utilized for brainstorming. Whether you're looking for new marketing strategies or innovative funding solutions, you can use ChatGPT to generate a range of ideas. For example, you might ask it to suggest creative marketing approaches for reaching out to small businesses or to come up with unique loan structures for high risk clients. Another area where ChatGPT shines is in identifying potential risks and opportunities. In an ever changing market, being able to quickly assess the risk and opportunities associated with new regulations, market shifts, or economic changes is crucial. ChatGPT can provide a large amount of information and provide insights that might help you navigate these changes more effectively. Lastly, ChatGPT can assist in policy development and strategic planning. By analyzing industry trends and data, it can suggest policies or strategic moves that could benefit your agency in the long term. This could range from client engagement strategies to operational improvement. Here's a list of ChatGPT prompts focusing on creative problem solving in the funding and loan brokerage industry. Scenario analysis prompt. Analyze the potential outcomes of offering more flexible repayment terms to small business clients in the current economic environment. Brainstorming marketing strategies prompt. Generate creative marketing strategies to attract high net worth individuals to our private lending services. Innovative funding solutions brainstorming prompt. Suggest unique loan structures that could be appealing for high risk clients in the technology startup sector. Risk and opportunity assessment prompt. Evaluate the risk and opportunities associated with investing in green energy projects in the current market. Policy development ideas prompt. Propose policy updates that could enhance our agency's compliance with the latest consumer lending regulations. Strategic planning suggestions prompt. Suggest strategic moves for expanding our agency's presence in the commercial real estate funding market over the next 5 years. New service concept development prompt. Develop concepts for new funding services targeting emerging industries post pandemic. Client engagement strategy brainstorming prompt. Brainstorm effective client engagement strategies for maintaining relationships with long term corporate clients. Operational improvement ideas prompt. Provide suggestions for operational improvements that can enhance efficiency in our loan processing department. Crisis management strategy prompt. Outlining crisis management strategy for addressing a sudden change in federal funding policies affecting our core services. These prompts are designed to utilize ChatGPT's capabilities for generating innovative ideas, analyzing scenarios, and strategizing solutions to complex problems in the funding and loan brokerage industry. They can be adapted to specific challenges or situations your business might face. In conclusion, ChatGPT is not just a tool for executing tasks, it's a partner in creative problem solving. Its ability to analyze, brainstorm, and suggest innovative solutions makes it an invaluable asset in the complex world of funding and loan brokerage. In this segment, we're going to discuss the ethical considerations and best practices for using AI, like ChatGPT, in the funding and loan brokerage business. As we embrace the power of AI in our industry, it's crucial to consider ethical implications and establish best practices to ensure responsible usage. AI, while powerful, must be used with a clear understanding of its impacts on clients, the industry, and society at large. Firstly, transparency is key. When using AI generated information or analysis, it's important to be transparent with clients about the source. This fosters trust and maintains integrity in your client relationships. For instance, if you're using AI for market analysis or risk assessment, make sure your clients understand how the AI works and the role it plays in your decision making process. Secondly, data privacy and security are paramount. AI systems often process large amounts of sensitive data. Ensuring the confidentiality and security of this data is not just a legal obligation, but also a matter of ethical practice. Implement robust data security measures that can be transparent with clients about how their data is used and protected. Another important aspect is avoiding bias. AI systems, including ChatGPT, are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. It's vital to be aware of potential biases in AI generated insights and to supplement AI analysis with human oversight. This is especially important in an industry like ours, where decisions can have a significant financial implications for our clients. Also, consider the impact of AI on employment and skill development. While AI can enhance efficiency and productivity, it's important to use it in a way that complements human skills rather than replacing them. Invest in training your team to work effectively with AI tools and understand their outputs. Lastly, stay informed about the evolving AI landscape. As AI technology continues to advance, so do the ethical considerations and best practices associated with its use. Keeping abreast of these changes will help you use AI responsibly and effectively. To sum up, while AI offers immense possibilities for enhancing our business's operations, it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. As we conclude this segment, remember that the best use of AI is one that aligns with our values and responsibilities as a funding and loan brokerage professionals. As we wrap up today's episode, let's reflect on the journey we've taken. We started by introducing ChatGPT and its capabilities. setting the stage for deeper exploration into its practical applications in the funding and loan brokerage industry. From enhancing market research and client communications to streamlining documentation and solving complex problems, ChatGPT emerges as a versatile tool and powerful tool at that. We delved into the specifics of how ChatGPT can be employed for various tasks, providing you with concrete examples and prompts to integrate into your daily operation. The potential of ChatGPT to transform our approach to business is truly remarkable, offering efficiency, precision, and competitive advantage. But as we discussed, with greater power comes greater responsibility. The ethical considerations and best practices we covered are crucial. It's important to use AI tools like ChatGPT with transparency, respect for privacy, awareness of bias, and a commitment to complementing human skills. Remember, the goal of integrating AI into our work isn't just about staying ahead in the technology race. It's about enhancing our ability to serve our clients better, make more informed decisions, and create a more dynamic and responsible business environment. I encourage you to experiment with ChatGPT, explore its possibilities, and find the best ways it can add value to your work. And as always, we at Moonshine Capital are here to support and guide you on this exciting journey. Thank you for tuning in to the Funding Agency Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful episodes. Until next time, keep innovating, keep growing, and let's harness the power of AI to revolutionize the funding and loan brokerage world together.